Hello, my friends at Florida HR 23. This is Daryl Andrews, Coach D. It was a pleasure, and I do mean a pleasure, meeting you and or having you attend our workshop. I was overwhelmed and surprised at how many of you were still there on the last day despite a hurricane. Boy, that meant everything in the world to myself and Rachel, one of the consultants on my team that was with us. But I'm also sending you this message to say I made a few offers that I want to continue to put out there. One, for folks who are really interested in our self care systems or post pandemic leadership, other different types of systems that we have, we are willing to do a 30-minute, no cost lunch and learn. So you can gather several people around, leaders, other leaders who may want to hear more about what we do and get a little taste of it. We're willing to do that. We can't break our bank and do thousands of these, but we're willing to do them for individuals who are interested. And then also, if you want to do a debrief, I would love to do that with you so that we can dig a little deeper into some of the things that we were sharing about. Self care is a precursor to wellness. That's a very important statement. And many in workforce and corporate are in organizations and agencies are missing it because the focus is on wellness, which I said is an end result. It's the self care things that you do that lead you to wellness. So if you're interested, please reach out to us. We would love to schedule a time with you. You have our calendar link. Schedule at a time that works for you, and we would love to at least have a conversation. I'm not trying to sell anything at this point, but at least have a conversation with you to see if we could be a resource. Okay. And we have multiple areas in which we can do that. So thank you so much for your time. What a great conference. Thank you for staying in the midst of a hurricane. And we deeply, deeply appreciate you and all that you do for the companies and organizations that you work with. Daryl Andrews, Coach D. Have a great day.